Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most beautiful women crochet skirts, new designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts as you can see. Beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful skirts in the birthday party or wedding party with matching blouse and top patterns. Stylish ideas, beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of skirts, light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful skirt design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. You can easily wear, you can easily move. Washable skirt designs for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Best top designer ideas you can see. Gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet skirts? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.